Why you got to lie? Hit it. Everybody, it's your favorite friend Blonde Richie, and welcome home. Welcome. Come on in. Come on in. And today we're going to be talking about these box blonde dyes and what I find to be misinformation about it not being bleach or damaging your hair. Let's get into it. So I've been seeing some videos saying, dyeing my hair blonde, no bleach. Dyeing my hair blonde, no ammonia. Dyeing my hair whatever, no whatever. I have to say that these people are lying to you. I'm just being playful when I'm saying I'm lying because I'm pretty sure they're not maliciously just coming out here and telling you things that's not true, but they are definitely misinforming you when they're saying that the boxed blonde hair are just dye, because it's not. Anything that is meant to lighten your hair is bleach. Bleach is just a term. It's not a technical word that they use. It's really just lightener to lighten your hair. So any combination of products that's going to lighten your hair is technically bleach. Let's get into how this thing actually works. We have brands like Cream of Nature, L'Oreal, and some other popular brands. I can't think of all of them off the top of my head that has at-home bleaching kits or lightening kits or kits to make your hair blonde at home, and they have like little labels on it that says ammonia free. I think a lot of people think that equates to no bleach, but like I said before, any combination of products that's meant to lighten your hair is technically a bleach. Even though it's not a bleach, it's, you know, the technical term for it is light. Just because the box says it has no ammonia in it does not mean that it really doesn't have ammonia in it, because it does. If the box says it doesn't have ammonia in it, then it definitely has an ammonia-like substance in it. Just like when something is said to be sugar-free, you best believe that bitch got Splenda in it, or something else that's going to make it sweet. The hair needs an ammonia or an ammonia-like substance in order to lighten your hair, because what the ammonia does, it swells your hair so it can open up the cuticle so the peroxide can go in and eliminate the melanin out of your hair, and then so the new color can come in and take place into your hair cuticle. And the only thing that can do this is ammonia or ammonia-like substance. And just because the box says it has no ammonia in it does not mean that it does not have a substance in it that's going to allow this process to happen. Because if this process do not happen, your hair can't change colors, especially when we're talking about bleaching and permanent hair dye. I wouldn't personally recommend any of these box bleaches because you just don't know what's in it. You don't know what volume of developer peroxide that they have in the box. You don't know what kind of bleaching agent they have. You don't know what mixture of toner or dye that you have in there. I would not recommend these bleaches. I think you'll be better off going to the store like Sally's or something and picking up a nice mild bleach and also a toner to go with your hair. Also, with that being said, another reason why you don't want to get box bleach hair, and trust me, I've been there. The first time I ever bleached my hair, I'll insert some pictures. The first time I ever bleached my hair was with box dye, and it tore my hair up. It literally melted my curl pattern away. My hair was straight. I went from like a 4A hair to like I had literally no curl pattern. It took my curl pattern away and made my hair extremely dry, damaged. And when I will only get that curl pattern when my hair is wet. When my hair was dry, it was nothing but frizz. It was so. The only way that you can technically dye your hair blonde is if your hair is already blonde and you want to permanently dye the hair another color, or if you want another shade of blonde, or if you want to tone your hair a different shade of blonde. But these boxes are not going to get you blonde. These boxes are not going to get you from dark hair to blonde with no bleach. It's impossible. Another misconception that they're going to have when they say dyeing my hair blonde is that you're going to walk out with no damage. Your hair is going to be damaged by these box dyes. Trust and believe. I'm not saying that anyone is out here putting out information on purpose, but sometimes we can miseducate when we don't know everything for ourselves, and we just go based off of what we see. And the government does not regulate like a lot of things that's put onto labels. And I'm not saying that it's a lie, because if it says ammonia free and it doesn't have ammonia in it, that's not a lie. But it definitely has an ammonia like substance. That's the only way that it can lighten your hair or get your hair cuticle open to lighten. So I'm not here to bash anybody's video. I am just here to give you information based off my trial and errors. I've been bleaching my hair for almost 6 years now, and I've had good times and I've had bad times. Right now I'm currently in a good time. My hair is looking great. And yeah, don't buy the box of bleaches to bleach your hair. Do not buy your lightening agent from the Walmart. Go to Sally's. Get you some lightening powder, get you some developer, get you some toner, and get you some bond agents, and get you some fillers, and you will walk out with some beautiful bomb ass blonde hair. I promise you. I promise you. You'll walk. Matter of fact, I'm gonna do a video just of boom. I'm gonna do a video on how to properly lighten your hair at home and still walk away with beautiful, gorgeous, luscious, delicious hair. Because all of us can bleach our hair if we want to, and it still be delicious. You just have to do it the right way. But these boxes, it's still bleach. No matter what they say, it's bleach. It's bleach. It's bleach. Until next time, you guys. Bye. And don't be afraid if you have any questions. Go ahead and leave them in the comments below. Or you can email me. I think my email is in my bio. If not, I'll make sure it's there. But you can email me, or you can leave your questions in the comments, and I'll be there for you, son. All right, until next time. Bye.